In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Best Sport Search. In fact, Best Sport Search is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The website that is associated with this extension is bestsportsearch.com. After analyzing the Best Sport Search browser extension, we found out and determined that indeed it functions as a browser hijacker. This piece of software makes alterations to browser settings in order to promote the bestsportsearch.com fake search engine. It means that whenever you start submitting some search queries into the appropriate field, you may soon notice that the results would be delivered by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. These can be Bing, Yahoo, or some other search engines not familiar to you. Best Sport Search hijacker is often spread through integration with certain free applications, and in many cases it is also installed through fake software or browser update alerts. So you should treat it with extreme caution. In case you noticed that Best Sport Search was installed into your computer without your desire, you should get rid of it immediately by accessing the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now disable and delete any third-party extensions in case you find them here. And finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other concealed threats, we do recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.